Hello and welcome to Tonic Studios. My name is Karen. I'm here today with the lovely Alison.
Hello.
And we have Leo as well.
Hello.
And we are here today to show you this wonderful new creative make. This is the Fairy Tale Tower. This is just the cutest thing.
It is unbelievable.
In the world. We have got a creative make size of all things. So the smallest die set we do for
So this die set is
it's
just
about
under
6 inches. Yeah, they get 6 by 6 to design into, don't they?
Yes, just under it is.
So if you have a little look there,
Look
take
how
those instructions
crammed
away.
it is.
But look at that. So you have got in this die set all the pieces to create the Fairy Tale Tower, which is a little castle box. And it is amazing. So shall we have a look first at the samples we made for the packaging?
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
And
yes.
then we can talk through those. So this was Leo's, I think.
And Leo made it taller.
Of course she did, because she's an overachiever.
But look how it opens.
You could get a good sized bottle of something in there.
I mean, look at that.
Wow. Amazing.
And look how tall it is.
Yeah, so that's a double-sized one. This is the single. So I made this one just as like more of a, I don't like to say it, but more of a masculine themed one. So I kept to the greys and the blues and the coppers for that. But Leo went and made
She just went
hers.
to town. This is your typical fairy tale,
Rapunzel
isn't it?
Tower, I'd like to say. Look, it wouldn't even stay on the screen.
I know.
Just catching the top
Just
of it.
peeking.
So you've got all of those vines, and all of these are all in your die set. You've got flowers, you've got windows, and then this top piece.
No doors though, because obviously there was no door.
There was no door in the, no, absolutely not. But this top piece comes off, and then you've got little slits in here where these little, are we calling them turrets? Are we calling them crenellations?
Oh my word,
Oh.
that's a big word that is.
I know, isn't it just? And they just,
It just
slot
slots perfectly,
straight
doesn't it?
through. That's amazing. So those are the ones that we made for packaging. Let's have a little look at what the design team have done. Can we show Christine's?
Of course we can.
Because look at this.
This
Let's go to the end of
is
the mat.
adorable.
So Christine has made
A
sandcastle.
sandcastle. I love it.
See you soon. I think she's used all the bits and pieces out of one of the kits.
Yes.
Was it Message in a Bottle?
I think it was. I think it was.
Yeah, it's
So
fabulous.
again, I mean, look at the top.
But she's cut it all in that, and she's speckled it as well with a bit of...
Yes, she has. Mousse
What does
this
she
is.
use? Do you think it's mousse?
Oh no, I think it's sparkle spray.
Oh, it could be.
It's
But
either mousse or sparkle spray.
I do think she's splattered it more with a
Yes,
paintbrush
she has.
rather than sprayed it. There's no actual spray, I don't think.
No.
It's got to be a bit of splatter. I love it. I think it's
I love
amazing.
the fact you've got these double layers around the windows.
Yes,
I think that is adding a beautiful detail.
it is. It really
Let's
is.
pop this back on.
Yeah, just go around and make sure you've got each of the sides in.
Yeah.
It's quite flexible to be able to do that. So you can push the sides in, and then it just slides straight on top.
It is adorable.
We've got one here from Ruth where she's only used one layer of it. So she's only used the inside. So if you did want to just cut down on the cutting, you didn't have to put that outer edge on. You've got the ability there to just cut the windows in.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, you can put a tea light in that.
This is your tea light. Or you could wrap something in cellophane
and just pop it inside.
and just pop it inside. Makes it very easy. I'm looking at biscuits.
If you've got something that's a bit too tall.
A bit too tall for the box, yeah, don't use the top layer.
The neck of the bottle, that's what I was trying to think of, the top there. The neck of the bottle could protrude above this,
it could.
couldn't it?
It certainly
of course
could.
It's a bottle that you're thinking about, right?
It would have
Always
to be a bottle.
Always a bottle.
I've got this one here from Terry, and Terry again has gone in with lots of detail, with some ink on the sides and some flowers, and again obviously this one will open as well, so we've seen that happening, so we'll leave that one. There we go. So you've got flowers on the top of this one as well. Very pretty.
Let's bring this one in. And this is Terry as well. So she's done
one for the boys.
One for the
one for the girls.
I'm not sure.
Oh no, we've got flowers on
We've got
both.
flowers on both this time.
Two nice colourways though.
But a very girly
Princess
design.
Castle.
Absolutely it is. But think of your Dungeons and Dragons for your
Yes,
boys.
definitely.
You've got your soldiers. You've got your princesses for your girls, your unicorns. All things the little girls and little boys love. I think this is a fabulous
It is
make.
perfect. And then this is the last one that we've got here. This is Ruth's, and you've got one more over that side, haven't you?
I have.
So there's that one. And I love
And
this
this
one.
is from Christine as well. So she's popped some flowers on the top.
But Christine's gone in with a
Stencil.
from a previous launch again. So she's used, I think this one came with a Halloween house.
I think it did too.
Do you think so?
I think so.
And
Look at it.
But it works perfectly with that, doesn't
I love it.
It's fabulous. Absolutely fabulous.
What
Thank
are
you
you
for these.
going to make this for? What ideas have you got? You know, your castles are for everything, aren't they?
Definitely.
Have you got someone in your family that likes the model soldiers? This would be nice as well,
Be
wouldn't
perfect.
it?
And if you wanted to gift something, you could
Yes.
get a gift card to go inside.
Yes, you
Couple of
could.
little sweeties.
Yeah.
And that is, or some money. If they wanted to go
Yes.
and buy themselves some little soldiers,
Yeah.
or some little bits and pieces to go inside.
Also,
nice.
have you got any model train makers? Because this would be lovely as your scenery.
Yes, it would. It really
Depending on the gauge of the trains.
would. Very,
I
very
think
good.
this has got so many options. Should we have a little look at the die again?
Yeah.
Let's have a little peep. I'm going to move these out the way so you can see. But this is your inner piece. Oh,
It's very simple to put together, isn't it?
absolutely. So we would cut 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Four of those.
4 of these and a base.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm guessing
It's the one with the
that one.
tabs.
Can you guess I didn't make one of these?
I did.
So that is the base and the sides for your inner box.
So that's this one here. But you can leave it at that, because that is a perfectly good gift box on its own.
Or you can, as that one is, you can add your windows into that
Yeah,
layer,
you
pop
can.
your vellum behind them, bit of acetate behind them. Moving on then, we have the outer section. Oh,
She's got it.
I got it. So this is your outer section. Oh, put it the right way. And then you're going to use
This piece
the bigger.
and this piece first.
Yeah?
And you're going to glue those on around your outer section. They all meet in the
Should
centre.
we show one of these?
It's probably all going to be covered.
Oh, it is.
Yeah.
There's another hex. Oh, let's have a look there.
Covered in and out. So these pieces create the gaps for your crenellations to pop right through.
That is so clever, isn't
It's
it?
very clever.
Guess who designed this?
It's a Toby box.
It is. Yeah, I think everybody's going to have covered all the bits and bobs, aren't they? Oh,
No?
no. Right, can you see inside there?
Oh, no, it's going to have to go right down to the surface, Al.
There?
And it's a bit dark, I think. Have a look if that one...
Right, can you see
Can
in
you see
that
any
one?
better?
Mm-hmm.
Just
Yeah?
see?
Yeah.
So you can see
Excellent.
how they all meet. if I tilt it,
Too far.
too far, right?
Yeah.
There
There,
you go.
yeah. So you can see this shape. The bottom part of this triangle sticks to that side,
Yeah.
and then this folds over the top, and that gives you these gaps then.
And that's where you put the hexagons.
Brilliant.
It's such a good design. Such a good design. I mean, we know what Toby's like. He always has to have something
Always.
a little bit fancy.
So these little pieces here,
Oh yes, they are to cover the back side of your cardstock.
they strengthen it as well,
They
don't
do.
they? Because obviously these are going to be popping through the holes.
Yeah.
So you need them to be pretty sturdy.
Yes, you put another layer of those just where these.
I think you can see it,
Crenellations are.
maybe that one.
Oh yeah, because it's a different colour. Got stuck. Can you show that one off?
Yeah.
You're gonna need to tilt it a bit. There you go.
So you can see the outside is the misty grey, and then the inside is our purple.
Purple. Fabulous.
So that makes it a decorative piece as well
Yes,
as a
it does.
functional piece.
Yeah, and you cover in all of your back sides of the cardstock
Yes.
because we don't like to see those. We
Oh
don't like
God,
to show
we
those,
don't
do
like
we?
to give any of our secrets away.
Absolutely not. I think I've
On
fallen
top of that then, we have,
little layers for under the windows.
excellent, a window
A
box.
windowsill, yeah, if you want the windowsill.
Then we have, this is the inside octagon is your decorative layer for the top.
Yeah.
Then you've got your vines that'll crawl up the side of the little castle.
Mm-hmm.
Or down.
Or down.
Or down.
Or down, yes. Some grass.
Mm-hmm.
2 different types of windows. And then you've got all these tiny little flowers to decorate with.
And they're beautiful. They really are
And your
cute.
flower centres.
Yeah.
So you've got a bit of everything there. And I'm sure you're going to have loads of fun with this.
Definitely.
But don't forget, tell us what you're going to make with it.
Yes, we'd love to
And
know.
tell us who it's going to be for.
Mm.
Is it your grandchildren? Is it older members of your family? Let us know.
So this is available in our store now. You'll be able to get your TCK discount if you
Nice.
are a Tonic Craft Kid subscriber. That will obviously apply to all of your purchases from the store. So you do get that 10% off your order. If you have added a few too many things to your basket, you can pay in installments as well. ClearPay, ShopPay, PayPal, possibly Klarna. Not really sure what's available at the moment, but it'll be a mix of some of those.
Give them all a try.
Give them all a try. I mean, they've all got slightly different terms. I've never really used them, so I'm not sure, but they've all got
No,
slightly
not
different
me.
terms. But you can just pay interest-free with those, and it's nice to use somebody else's money for a couple of weeks.
Absolutely it is.
Don't forget the most important part is
Tag us in your makes.
We love to see what you are making. We love to show them on our show and tell on our Friday shows. So pop in to see those as well. We are all over social media, so you will find us at Tonic Studios, and you can use the hashtag #ShowTonic, or just pop them straight into our Tonic Facebook group, which is the Tonic Studios official Facebook group.
Yes.
That's right, isn't
It
it?
is.
Yes, yes.
If you've enjoyed this video, give us a cheeky little thumbs up. And then we will notify you when we're going live if you hit that notification bell.
Ding!
That's the one. Because you're not going to want to miss a video. Tell
Yeah.
your friends about us.
Please do, please do.
Welcome them along. They can be part of our family. So thank you for joining us today. Only one more thing to say. Happy
Happy
crafting.
crafting.